Which circuit tester is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Auto Power Scan. First up, we have the Auto Power Scan Automotive Circuit Tester. With a price of $89.99 and an impressive 4.7-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, this tool really caught my attention. If you want a reliable way to diagnose power circuits, this is worth a serious look. This tester is all about versatility, covering everything from voltage and polarity tests to component activation. It can measure 6 to 30 volts, which means you can check nearly any vehicle's electrical system. The fact that it has a 20-foot extension cord is a big deal because it allows you to reach hard-to-access areas without a hassle. Plus, the built-in flashlight is a game changer for those dimly lit spaces. Now, here's the thing. Some users mentioned that the instruction manual could use more clarity. I get it, detailed guides are crucial when you're trying to troubleshoot complex issues. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the intuitive design makes it pretty manageable. This is perfect for you if you're a car enthusiast or a professional mechanic looking for something reliable. Skip this one if you're just a casual DIYer who rarely works on cars, as it might be more than you need. Product number 2, ANCEL PB100. Next, let's talk about the ANCEL PB100 Automotive Power Circuit Probe. Priced at $67.39, this best-selling tool has a 4.6-star rating and over 2,900 reviews. If speed and ease of use are what you're after, this one's a strong contender. What I love about the ANCEL PB100 is its all-in-one functionality. The 4 working modes allow you to switch between voltage, resistance, and more without complicating things. Plus, the 40-foot range gives you the freedom to test around larger vehicles without needing to move your setup. However, some users found that the build quality felt a bit less sturdy compared to other options. Here's the thing. While it might not feel as heavy-duty, it's still effective for most DIY diagnostics and can save you loads of time. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer who wants straightforward diagnostics without all the extra fuss. Skip this if you're a professional looking for top-tier durability. You might want something that feels a bit more robust. Product number 3, VDIAGTOL V200 Pro. Moving on, we have the VDIAGTOL V200 Pro Automotive Circuit Tester. At $89.99 and rated 4.6 stars from about 746 reviews, this tool promises to tackle all your circuit problems. If you want an all-in-one solution, this could be your pick. It's easy to switch modes, which is great if you're jumping between different diagnostic tasks. Its 20-foot extension cord allows for ample reach, making it ideal for larger vehicles or tight spaces. That said, some users reported that the instructions could be a bit confusing. But honestly, once you figure it out, the device is quite straightforward. It's designed to be intuitive, so don't let the manual scare you away. This is great if you work on various types of vehicles and need a reliable tool for different diagnostics. Skip it if you prefer something simple and don't need all the extra features. Product number 4, WINAMOO Test Light. Next up is the WINAMOO Automotive Test Light, which is a steal at just $13.99. With over 1,000 purchases and a 4.5-star rating, this little tool surprised me with its capabilities. If you want a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, definitely consider this. The LED display shows clear readings, which is a huge plus when you're dealing with electrical components. The sharp stainless steel probe makes it easy to reach tight spaces, and the alligator clip allows for one-handed operation, making life just a bit easier. However, some users mention that it lacks the robustness of pricier models. Here's the thing. For casual users or those just starting out, this is more than enough to handle day-to-day diagnostics without breaking the bank. This is perfect if you're just getting into car repairs or need something simple for occasional testing. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty tester for frequent use. This is designed more for light work. Product number 5, M415 Pro Wire Tracer. Lastly, we have the M415 Pro Automotive Wire Tracer, priced at $16.35. This tool has a 4.2-star rating from around 333 reviews. If you're looking for something to help locate wires and circuits with ease, this is worth a look. The flexible probe allows you to reach tight spots, making it perfect for testing under dashboards or behind panels without hassle. Plus, it works on a range of 642V circuits, which covers most automotive applications. On the downside, some users felt it could be more durable. But honestly, for its price point, it performs really well for what it's designed to do, especially if you need something lightweight and portable. This is ideal if you're a DIYer or a technician needing to trace wires regularly. Skip it if you're looking for a high-end, rugged tool, as this is designed for more casual use. So to wrap it up, the Auto Power Scan is great for versatile diagnostics. The ANCEL PB100 is excellent for ease of use. The VDIAGTOL V200 Pro delivers comprehensive features. The WINAMOO test light is perfect for budget users, and the M415 Pro wire tracer is handy for tracing circuits. Each has its strengths, so think about your specific needs before making a choice.